All you got to do is focus on what you're doing.
Right.
Don't worry about what I'm doing.
Exactly. You don't matter.
You got it?
I got it.
Okay. No messing up. One time, one shot. All right, first try. Let's do it. Hey, what's up? Paul Ingram here with College Center. Got my man Chris. We've been out here training all weekend, and we're working some Heaven 6 stuff. And I want to give you a good beginner partner drill that you can do with Heaven 6. We're going to do 2 variations. We're going to do it standing still, and then we're going to add some footwork. And then I'm going to go ahead and spice things up by giving you a more advanced variation of the Heaven 6 drill that you can do if you're feeling like you need a little bit more of a challenge with it. So let's review the Heaven 6 real quick. I've done this one a lot on the channel here, but most of the time it's solo training. So now that we got a partner, let's see how we could really develop the coordination to the next level. So we're gonna start off in our chamber position here, and we're gonna go through the Heaven 6 pattern. We have that inward, backhand right there. An inward, a backhand, and a backhand right there. Or an angle 1, an angle 2, and then that broken angle 2. 1, 2, broken angle 2. All right, so as we're working this out, you wanna get it nice and fluid, and you wanna try and get it to where it's an actual 6 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So that's one way to train it. Make sure that you can train this with your right foot forward. Go up. And also make sure you can train this with your left foot forward. You should be able to do this all in any lead. All right, come on, let's try it again. You'll get it. Ready? And then switch your leads. There it is. I know Chris can do it one of these days. Let's try it one more time. You got it. And then switch your feet. Yes. All right, good. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to apply the reverse triangle footwork. Let's take a look at that. All right, so this time we're gonna put in the reverse triangle footwork. So if you don't know what that is, I'm standing at the apex of my reverse triangle, and Chris is standing at the apex of his reverse triangle. So if we just isolate the footwork here real quick, we're both gonna step left 45, come back, and then right 45, and come back. We're gonna hit 3 strikes, right, left 45, 3 strikes, right 45. Let's take a look at the drill. We're gonna step, 1, 2, 3, return, step, 1, 2, 3, return, step, and to the right. We're just gonna rep this out. Right there. So not too complicated, but if you want to spice things up, let's go ahead and do that right now. We're going to spice up our Heaven 6 by adding what's called a mid beat or a half beat. And we're going to do this on the 1st and 4th strike. You can do this on all of the strikes, but just to start off, we'll do it on the 1st strike of each side. So it'll be strike 1 and 4. So as we're getting our Heaven 6 going, we're going to flow it just standard first. And I want you to listen to what happens to the rhythm here. Right there. So on the 1st strike, what I'm doing, Chris is just gonna do the same thing. What I'm doing is I'm gonna hit this 1, and right behind it, I'm gonna hit a backhand broken 2, just like that. And then we continue on, so that left hand's gonna double up, and then we finish that side. Now on the left side, same thing. As I hit this 1, you're gonna see that my right hand's coming out, boom, and I'm gonna double it up right there. Then my right hand doubles, and then hit and retract. So I'm gonna strike right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. So you got to remember on this one that that 1st strike is going to be a V strike. So you're going to bring it to your opposite shoulder. But that half beat is going to go broken. So it's a little bit of an awkward motion at first. So it's okay to practice this motion right here just to get it down. Practice it on one side and then go ahead and practice it on the other side as well. Boom. So hit that V strike with the top hand, and then that little broken strike with the bottom hand, right there. Now we're gonna rep it out, just nice and slow. Now just be careful when you're training this with no gloves on that you don't whack your training partner's hand, you know, unless you both agreed that that's okay. It is not. All right, now what we can do, once we have it stationary, we can go ahead and plug in the reverse triangle footwork. All right, there you got it. A little bit of partner training, taking that coordination from the solo training, taking it up a notch with a training partner, adding some footwork, and then spicing it up, getting a little bit more advanced by adding in that mid beat or that half beat right there. So have fun with it. If you enjoy these types of videos and want to explore your collie training further, got a couple options for you. Head over to colliecenter.com. Link is down in the description. You can check out my Double Sticks DVD downloads, volumes 1 and 2. Got so much training over there on the Double Sticks. Volume 1 is all solo training. Volume 2, now you're starting to work some of those partner drills. Or check out our online school where we have a huge video library of all the areas of collie, the double sticks, single sticks, body adaga, knife, empty hands, staff, you name it, we've got it. And you get to join our community inside of our online school. And make sure you're out there, get outside, go training, share this training with your friends, family, brothers, sisters, cousins, kids, wives, husbands, the whole gamut, neighborhood, all that, block party, collie block party. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, say hi to Chris in the comments, and give him a thank you for joining me today. And I'll catch you back here next time. We're gonna get back to training.